Before we start the demo, I want to point out all the partners inside of your booth right now. So can you explain to us how they all integrate together with 3DI?
No, absolutely. Thank you very much, Jeremy. I appreciate it. We're very excited to exhibit at ISC West for the 10th year, really. And we would want to explain the logic of the booth. So we are representing an ecosystem today that starts with a company that's called Italian Infrastructure. They are manufacturing and assembling mobile surveillance units, and the cameras that are on there are bandwidth savings cameras by Milesight, and the connectivity provided for those mobile surveillance units and getting the camera streams to 3DI platform is from SIMETRY, that's the connectivity partner. And we finally have the thermal camera by E2E Thermal from Australia that completes the full ecosystem and creates a perfect solution for any security systems integrator.
And how do you call this integration? Is there a specific name that 3DI like to call how they integrate with their partners?
We are practicing the concept of pure cloud, so abstracting from any hardware, and the ecosystem that we've created today is a testament that this concept works. The main three things about the concept is that you can connect any camera, any NVIF protocol compliant camera, and you can do that without any hardware in between, no bridge, no server, no box in between the camera and the cloud. Plus, we are analyzing the streams on AWS side, and that creates maximum relevancy for these analytical alerts that the operators are getting.
Great, now let's jump to demo and see how it works. Thank you, Igor, for making way for us inside your booth. I know there was a lot of people here, but now it's all ours. So can you do us a quick demo on how 3DI would apply in a real life situation like here? There's a lot of people, it's ISC West.
Look, this is a great way to centralize existing video cameras all over the world. We're signed into a web-based dashboard. It's accessible on any computer, anywhere in the world, on any browser. And honestly, that's a great achievement, because nowadays clients are accessing on a Mac, on a PC, on their mobile phones, and wherever they go, wherever they access them, they can see all their locations. Here, we have different commercial vertical cameras. We have some live cameras. We have a couple exhibitors, a couple cameras at our booth. But besides that, this could be a great way to quickly retrieve existing video. Everything's in the cloud, and the cloud also aids with streamlining the video retrieval. So not only are we storing video for as long as the client's comfortable, a week, a month, or several months, but we're also applying cloud processed video analytics. These are AI modules that live in the cloud and make the cameras smarter. They're applicable on top of any camera and can quicken things like investigation by doing things like area search, color search, object detection, people counting. For instance, if I take this example, and this is just a random one I have pulled up, might not be the best, but if I want to quickly find a particular car, and I know that it was in this general area, or maybe perhaps it was in this general area, I can draw those specific points, filter for different categories such as car, person, animal, luggage, loitering, license plate recognition. And let's say I want to have a person. This is a subject that I know was on premise on Tuesday, roughly between 3 to 8. Maybe they weren't wearing red, but I can quicken my investigation rather than scrubbing through the timeline. This will show me all the results of those objects in those areas within that time span were in those colors. And even besides quickly seeing those events, more importantly, I think is the fact that you can drag in the video events to play them back whilst keeping your eyes on all the other cameras.
And now all of this AI, as you mentioned, it can work on any camera. So we're talking 2 megapixel analog cameras.
Yes, any camera's compatible, whether it be analog cameras, IP cameras, cameras sitting behind a recorder, such as NVR or DVR, or connected directly to the cloud via a PoE switch.
And now, because this is something I learned on my side, but I can see that even body-worn cameras can be used on the 3DI platform. So how does that work? How does connection work on that side?
Yeah, portable cameras are emerging. And even besides body-worn cameras, we're talking today about drone surveillance, doing perimeter checks. But any video device can be connected directly to the cloud. And we also make sure it's a very cybersecure connection. And besides this web-based VMS console, there's also an alarm station piece where operators can be shown video alarms as they come in real time. So there's different use cases where you can not only see your body-worn cameras and IP cameras in this sort of view, but also from our mobile app and a monitoring console.
Thank you, Igor, for your time. I'll let you go back to all the customers that are in your booth and we'll meet up with your partners.
Perfect. Thank you, Jer.
Thank you. This is what we like to see at ISC West, people sharing the same booth because partners make stronger connection. And now, Cash, you're introducing SIMETRY, so can you give us an overview of what solution you're providing?
Yes, SIMETRY provides data connectivity via cellular or LEO satellite connectivity so that the video analytics and the streams can be taken from the remote camera and sent to the cloud. SIMETRY provides not only the data connectivity, the plans, the 24/7 support, and also hardware and IoT-specific engineering.
And so, how do you work with 3DI? How is this partnership going? So what is your role in there?
Yeah, so SIMETRY works with 3DI to help support their clients, offload with cellular solutions to get that video stream onto the cloud. So whenever they have a partner or a project, we will get involved and introduced and help engineer a solution to help 3DI get that project over the finish line.
Cash, thank you. We'll jump on to see one other of your partners.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Next up in the 3DI booth is the E2E thermal, and I'm joined by Gav. Gav, how are you doing?
Good. Nice to meet you, Jeremy. Great to be here.
Thank you, and great for us to be invited here. Now, we need to learn more about your solution right here. So can you give us an overview of what you provide?
Yeah, absolutely. So we're from E2E Thermal, based out of Melbourne, Australia, an ecosystem partner with 3DI. We provide video-based fire detection. So Optitherm is the product. It's a native thermal product that's integrated on 3DI. It's all about early detection for fire events. So dual mode verification and detection through thermal that detects any changes in temperature. And we also have an optical sensor that detects through analytics. So we can do smoke and vapor detection, and that's leveraging 3DI's platform.
Wow, so this is a really niche product, and it's actually kind of good looking, honestly.
Ah, thank you.
So in the analytics of the 3DI platform, this is how you enhance your cameras, is that right?
Yeah, so we have developed custom models for smoke and vapor detection, and we do this with 3DI, so a very good partner to have. It's the first integrated camera for thermal on 3DI, and yeah, it's got multi applications, so we can do fire detection and we can also do perimeter intruder detection.
Well, Gav, again, thank you. It looks like a great product. I'm sure with 3DI, the partnership is going well for you guys. I wish you the best of luck. We'll jump to the other partner.
Thank you very much. Thank you, guys.
We are now joined by Our from Milesight, a well-known brand inside the 3DI booth. Our, can you tell us a little bit more about the integration with 3DI?
Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Howard and I'm from Milesight, and we are a manufacturer of the cameras. And we are the strategic partner of 3DI in the hardware cameras. All right, so let me introduce some brief introduction about the integration between Milesight and the 3DI. So first of all of our cameras, no matter the mini series, the Pro series, the PTZ series, they all support the plug and play directly to cloud to 3DI platform. All right, so no need for port forwarding anymore, just the cable plug and play. Everything will go to the cloud directly. And secondly, we do have some deep integration in the AI features. So every AI can be done on the camera side, and then the result and the video clips can be sent to the 3DI platform. And you can view everything, video clips, playback on their platform. And thirdly, I think we have the biggest feature is that we have a smart stream feature, which makes your internet condition always stays in a very healthy condition. So which means that our camera can have a smart stream which is based on event. So once the event is triggered, it will turn up to the higher bitrate, higher resolution. Otherwise, it will stay in a low bitrate, low resolution to make sure that the bandwidth is still always the healthy, in the healthiest condition. So yeah, basically this is it. And if you're looking for the ideal solution for directed cloud camera, camera to cloud solution, yes, Milesight plus 3DI is the best solution. Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Howard. That was a great introduction. Katerina, thank you again to you and your partners for giving us the floor space to discuss this incredible solution that you have inside of your booth. And now for our viewers and the people that couldn't come to ISC West, what would you like to tell them before we go?
Oh, if you are a security systems integrator or a live video monitoring or remote guarding company, and you would like to set up instant, in no time command and control center by connecting any on-VF camera without the use of additional hardware and avoid CapEx and increase scalability, then please visit our website 3di.me and sign up for a demo. We'll be happy talking to you.
All right, Katerina, thank you again and have a great show.